Courageous eater, we're back at it.
Welcome
Look at us.
back.
We're doing ramen. We're in Dee's kitchen.
Switching it up.
I'm Rob. This is Allison. This
I'm
is
Dee.
Dee. And we just cooked up. What do we have here? What
This is spicy chicken carbonara Buldak ramen. So
cheesy.
it looks pretty good.
And what? There's some spicy too.
Spicy and cheesy.
Artificial spicy chicken. Game on.
All right.
Checkmate.
Right off Amazon.
What do we got? Look at
So
this.
here's our bowl.
These tiny, delicious, beautiful looking bowls.
And it's hot. It's
Oh my
this
gosh.
thing. Yeah, we just got this thing
Look
on
at
the
that.
stove top.
Straight
Coming in hot today.
Coming in hot. All right, y'all. You
I
ready to check
haven't been
this out?
on so long because I got fired. I came back. Wow, that's amazing.
Wow.
I've never had a ramen that's cheesy before.
The cheesy and the spicy.
It's got a little bit of like a cream flavor to it.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Yeah. It's spicier than your average ramen.
Yeah.
And the noodles are really nice. I think they're like fluffy, and it's not like that shitty kind of.
It's not like your standard top ramen
No,
or like
no.
cup noodles or whatnot.
That
It's a
dollar stuff in the store.
This is a premium.
That you're eating on when you're broke.
Yeah, I still eat them.
Or when you have money.
broke.
you know,
I'm
you
still
gotta-
broke.
Sometimes you just need to
I wanna keep
reminisce.
my money, so I'll buy this dollar ramen.
Yeah.
Well done. All right, but yeah, I would say this is something pretty good.
And it's quick and easy to make.
Right? Yeah.
5 minutes to boil. Dose it up in some powder, some spice.
Dose it.
Stir it up.
I was a little bit skeptical when I saw that it was carbonara. But the
Do you
coloring,
taste the bacon?
I don't taste the bacon, but
No.
the coloring also looks a little bit different than the package. So this
Yeah.
is kind of like a nice orange, and
I had
this
no
looks
idea
like a
there's
white.
bacon's supposed to be in this.
Carbonara is like ham and
White
it's
coloring?
like ham and chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Artificial chicken, so.
Yeah. Well, I think it's still pretty
It's
good.
though. It's got a really nice kick to it
Yeah. This is
with a
probably,
little bit of cream, so it's not too bad.
And other people have reviewed this specific ramen, and they added cream to it. We didn't add cream, and it's so much better.
Oh yeah.
Because we can handle our spice. That's what we do over here.
Yeah. If
That's
you
what
want
we
the
do over here.
Weenie Hut Junior version, you take the heavy cream.
Yeah.
For the
Totally.
week.
The weak. But
Weak.
yeah, no cream. Give it a shot. All right.